All right, next up we have Eric from Status. Status is a messenger, crypto wallet, and Web3 browser built into a state-of-the-art technology. Welcome to the stage, Eric.
Hello. I'm going to present Status. So we're not a company from Berlin, but we have developers all around the world, and I happen to be one of them, and I live in Berlin. So that's why I'm here. So we're building secure communication tools for an infrastructure. So initially, the idea of Status was to build together a chat, a wallet, and a Web3 browser on Ethereum. It was founded in 2017, an ICO in June 2017. Then a year later, we went into beta, and next year we are planning for V1. And the mission was to build secure communication tools and infrastructure to uphold human rights. So for that, Status is much more than just a mobile app. So we have what we call the Status Network, which includes all of these items. So you have the community, which is contributing, for instance, to the code base. Regarding infrastructure, we have a team that develops an Ethereum 2 client. We have a team that develops a stack for secure peer-to-peer communications, and an implementation of lib peer-to-peer in NIM, which is the language we use for our ETH2 client. And then we have developer tools. So we have developer tools. Embark is a framework for developing dApps. It contains an editor for smart contracts, and Subspace is a front-end library to facilitate interactions with a blockchain application. And then we have all the products. So there is Status, the mobile app. We also have Keycard, which is it's a smart card. So it's like a credit card, but it's a hardware wallet, so you can sign transaction with it. Assemble is a project for it's a decentralized founding of projects. The Terra network is peer-to-peer fiat to crypto exchange. And dApps is a directory of dApps that is curated by community by burning tokens. So that's basically all the different projects that are worked on by the Status network. And all of these projects are following our principles. So there is a bunch of them, and so but they are really important to us. So for instance, we don't use Google Analytics on our websites or any kind of library that phonomes in our app, so that we are sure that we're not leaking information from users. All of our code is open source. We are developing this peer-to-peer communication stack to make sure that we have something that is censorship resistant, that is secure, private, etc. And we have a token that we use in the different part of the network. So you can register usernames for the app. You can buy stickers. It's used as a staking mechanism in the Terra network. We have a tribute to talk functionality that is not released yet, dApp curation, and so on. And and so now that's the Status is Status Core is the team in which I work. So we have this mobile app. And actually, because it's in React Native, we also took over a project from Ubuntu, which ports React Native to desktop. So we also have a desktop app, though we've been focusing on the mobile app lately for the upcoming release. So what we do is we run an Ethereum node on the mobile, Though though right now we are only using that for Whisper, the communication part, and we rely on RPC endpoints for the blockchain calls. Yeah, so because everything is open source, if someone wants, for instance, only the backend part of Status, which is running on the device, and do their own front end, everything is open source. So that's what it looks like. For those who knew the app in beta, there's been a lot of changes that have not been included yet and will be in V1, like the fact that you can have multiple wallets and yes, choose which wallet you want to use in dApps, that kind of things. So on top of Whisper, we've added perfect forward secrecy and multi-device support so that you can have the same account on different devices. So that is supported for private and group chats. And then we also have public channels, but of course there you cannot expect privacy or whatever. The wallet is ERC20 and ERC721 compatible. You can have multiple wallets. You can have address that you just watch, not necessarily yours. We have a Web3 browser in the app. Also, you can choose which wallet you want to use for the dApp. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess I won't take time with this presentation, but yeah. Ooh. If you have any questions, you can ask me afterward. Thank you.
Thank you.